Ministry of Education abolishes no detention policy. Students well into classes 5 and 8 will be retained with opportunity to retake examination. And release of arrested volunteers. State government warns of temporary water level fluctuations and increased vehicular traffic due to coffer dam construction across Imphal and Sekmai rivers. And Manipur Hill districts organize workshops and events for Good Governance Week, promoting transparency and accountability in honor of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Hello, you're watching IS English News. I'm Jay Shoy now, giving you the news in detail. In a significant move, the Union Education Ministry has decided to abolish the no detention policy. Speaking at a press briefing today, Secretary of the Education Ministry, Sanjay Kumar, announced that students failing the annual examination in class 5 and 8 will not be promoted. However, those who fail will be given a chance to retake the exam within 2 months. If they fail again, they will not be allowed to move to the next grade. The Secretary clarified that schools will not expel students until the 8th grade. This decision, according to Kumar, aims to improve the learning outcomes of children across the country.
हम लोगों ने ये निर्णय लिया है कि 5वीं में और 8वीं में हर प्रयास करने के पश्चात यदि डिटेंशन करने की आवश्यकता पड़े तो डिटेन किया जाए, लेकिन उसमें यह भी प्रावधान किया गया है कि 8वीं कक्षा तक किसी भी बच्चे को हमारे स्कूलों से निष्कासित नहीं किया जाए। तो हम एक्सेस तो चाहते हैं, लेकिन राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति के तहत हम ये भी चाहते हैं कि हर बच्चे का लर्निंग आउटकम कहीं बेहतर हो, उम्दा हो, और इसको प्रयास में लाने के लिए वैसे बच्चों के लिए जो पढ़ाई में शायद किसी कारणवश उतने अच्छे नहीं हैं, उस पर विशेष ध्यान भी दिया जा सकेगा। और ये रूल्स में जो बदलाव लाए गए हैं, इससे ये संभव हो सकेगा। तो मैं समझता हूं इससे हमारे सभी बच्चों के लर्निंग आउटकम्स को हम बेहतर बना पाने में सफल हो पाएंगे।
The passing out parade of 10th and 11th India Reserve Battalion IRB graduates who have been undergoing training at Lachhit Barpukhan Police Academy in Dargawan, Assam was held today at the Academy's ground. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren, along with MP Lesemba Sana Jauba, Cabinet Ministers, MLAs, and top state police officials chartered a flight from Imphal Airport to Jorhat this morning to attend the ceremony. The training in Assam was facilitated with the full cooperation of Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma and Assam Director General of Police G.P. Singh. After, Chief Minister Biren requested the Assam Chief Minister for the same, owing to the unrest situation in the state. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh addressed the newly inducted personnel of the 10th and 11th Indian Reserve Battalion IRB, urging them to promote love and unity among communities, as they had experienced during their training in Assam. He emphasized the importance of harmony, especially in light of the current challenges in Manipur. The Chief Minister shared that the government plans to deploy personnel from diverse communities across the state, reinforcing the idea that once in uniform, They are soldiers of the nation. He expressed confidence that the newly trained personnel would play a vital role in restoring peace and normalcy in Manipur, highlighting their significant contribution to maintaining law and order. Biren Singh also conveyed that the new recruitment was initiated to ensure better security along Manipur's national highways, which have seen numerous incidents in recent years. On the occasion of Kisan Divas, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh expressed heartfelt gratitude and respect for the farmers who are the backbone of the nation. In a message shared on the social media platform X, he honored the hard work, dedication, and resilience of farmers, acknowledging their crucial role in the country's progress. He urged everyone to pledge their support to farmers by ensuring they receive the resources and opportunities they deserve. In connection with an incident that occurred on October 1st, where unknown armed miscreants threatened and forcibly snatched away an SUV Fortuner from a civilian in Imphal West District, a combined team of security forces has raided a house in Uripok, Sorwontingel, Imphal West District. According to police report, the raid was carried out at the residence of an 80-member identified as Asem Kanan Singh, aged 50 years, after confirming that the stolen vehicle was used by him and his associates. However, Asem Kanan Singh and his associates were not found at the location during the raid. During the operation, security forces seized several items from the residence, including a DVD machine from a CCTV camera, a four-wheeler vehicle I-20, 3 olive green bags, a yellow life jacket marked as SDRF, an air gun marked as Hurricane MOD 18, and 2 black ballistic protection jackets with metal plates. Police have indicated that further investigation into the matter is ongoing and efforts to locate the accused and his associates continue. Manipur police have arrested one active cadre of the proscribed group, Pripak, identified as Kumbong Mayum Abhijit Singh, aged 26 years, a resident of Irengban, Mairembam, Maning Laikai, Kakching district. The arrest was made in Kakching, Chumnang area, Kakching, during a routine security operation. The arrested individual is currently in police custody and further investigation is underway. In a continuous effort towards strengthening security and curbing insurgent activities, security forces uncovered a significant cache of weapons and ammunition during search operations in the fringe areas of Imphal West and Kangpokpi districts. From the Fayeng Porom Hill, they seized 11 live rounds of SLR ammunition, 1 SLR magazine, 66 empty SLR cartridges, and a radio set, battery, and antenna. In the K Songlung area, the forces recovered a misfired AK round, 102 empty AK cartridges, 2 SLR empty cartridges, and 12-bore cartridge, and a locally made bomb. Various Naga bodies in Manipur condemned the physical assault on the Senapati District Students Association SDSA executives that occurred on December 22nd at around 9 p.m. at the Gamgifai Kuki checkpost. The students' leader, who were on official duty, were brutally attacked and harassed by Kuki volunteers stationed at the post. Despite repeatedly identifying themselves as members of the SDSA, the students were subjected to physical violence and verbal abuse. In a statement, the Senapati District Students Association SDSA expressed strong condemnation of the assault, calling it an unacceptable act that undermines the spirit of unity and cooperation. The association also questioned the vandalism of their official vehicle, which displayed the SDSA nameplate, and raised concerns over the violation of previous memorandums of understanding signed between the NPO and SCOTU, which were meant to promote mutual respect and coexistence. The SDSA further declared that it will not remain silent in the face of such atrocities and warned that any escalation of the situation would hold the perpetrators' community responsible. The association reiterated its commitment to peacefully advocating for the rights and welfare of students and youth while calling for accountability and respect for dialogue and peaceful resolution. The bodies which condemn the incidents are the Naga People's Organization, Mao Students Union, Paumai Naga Sidaumai Mi, and Rongmei Naga Students Organization Manipur, Maram Students Union, Naga Students Union Chandal, Tangkhul Katamnao, Saklong, Senapati Action Committee Senapati. Demanding justice for the village volunteer killed in an alleged encounter at Salumpham and the unconditional release of 6 other volunteers who were arrested, women in Jiribam staged a sit-in protest at Samupunbi Kaithel in Jiribam district today. The protest was organized under the aegis of IPSA, SWA, Jimwak, KSA, and Kanglecha Club Samupunbi Jiribam. The women also raised their voices, calling for the repeal of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act in Manipur. Speaking to media, women's leader KH Janaki Devi strongly condemned the alleged atrocities committed by the police commandos against the village volunteers. She stated that such actions should instead be directed at narco-terrorists, not innocent villagers. Janaki Devi called on the government to ensure justice for the slain village volunteer and the unconditional release of the other 6 arrested volunteers. Echoing Echoing the same sentiments and demands regarding the alleged encounter of a village volunteer at Salumpham and the unconditional release of the 6 others arrested, massive sit-in protests were staged at various locations in Imphal East and Imphal West districts today. The protests were organized by local Mairapabi groups and clubs in collaboration with civil society organizations. One such protest was held at Kiamgai in Imphal East, organized by the Peace and Integrity Committee, Kiamgai, in collaboration with the Kangleipak Students Association, KSA. The protesters also demanded the repeal of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act from Manipur. One of the protesters, Moirangthem Sobita, expressed frustration with the government's alleged atrocities against the village volunteers. She called on the government to direct similar actions towards narco-terrorists who she described as a real threat and enemy.
Hầu như ai ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯁꯠꯂꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯃꯔꯥꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯗꯝꯅꯅ ꯀꯥꯞꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯔꯥꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯝꯖꯜꯂꯒ ꯊꯝꯕꯒꯤ खुदकता लेपियु इरांगसिगी नमादा मयाम पुनमक मांगहनलगा इचा मसिंग ताहनबदी मणिपुर लेरिबा मफम खुदिंगमक्तगी ममा होइबि पुनमकना मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट की मफमदा अमदी इंडिया गवर्नमेंट की मफमदा अकनबा खोंजंग हाइबसे संगसिनलकनी हाइबसिमा सिगी मिफम असिगा मरी लेनेना अहांगना पाउदम असिमा तंग थमजरी
The Apunba Lakshmi Bazar Meira Paibi, together with the Top Sifai, Leishang Khong Top Upokpi and Fibo Meira Paibi groups staged a sit-in protest at Lakshmi Bazar today, demanding justice for the slain village volunteers. They call for the immediate dismissal of the police commando personnel allegedly involved in the encounter. In a show of solidarity, volunteers from the Mayang Imphal Apunba Meira Paibi, in collaboration with the Kanglei Park Students Association and the Mayai Lambi Zonal Council, also held a demonstration at Mayang Imphal Kaitel, raising various slogans in support of their cause. The government of Manipur, through the Water Resources Department, has issued 2 public notices regarding the construction of coffer dams across the Imphal and Segmai rivers. These projects are part of the ongoing dam rehabilitation and improvement project DRIP 2 and 3, funded by the World Bank. According to the notification, a coffer dam will be constructed upstream of the Imphal barrage across the Imphal River. The project is vital for the rehabilitation of the Imphal barrage. Similarly, another coffer dam will be built upstream of the Segmai barrage, which is essential for inspecting the bed floor and sites of the Segmai barrage. The department has warned that the construction work might cause temporary water level fluctuations in the affected areas. This may impact water supply schemes located between the respective coffer dams and the barrages, which rely on water from the rivers. Furthermore, an increase in vehicular traffic in the project areas is expected due to the movement of construction equipment and materials. The Water Resources Department has expressed regret for any inconvenience caused to commuters and local residents during the construction period. However, they assured that efforts would be made to minimize disruptions and expedite the process. They have requested the cooperation and understanding of the public and all stakeholders involved. A one-day legal awareness program on issues of drug abuse and de-addiction schemes policies in the state was organized by the District Legal Services Authority (DLSA) Imphal West in collaboration with Vision of Hope Drug and Alcohol De-Addiction Center under the aegis of the Manipur State Legal Services Authority. The event, held at the Auditorium Hall of Vision of Hope, was led by District and Session Judge Imphal West, cum Chairman DLSA Yumkham Rother, and Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West, cum Secretary DLSA Assam Tarun Kumari Devi. The program focused on 3 key objectives, namely preventing drug abuse, reducing drug dependence, and promoting rehabilitation and reintegration for individuals recovering from addiction. Coordinator of Vision of Hope, Gobi Soraisam, and other DLSA staff were present at the event. Resource person R.K. Imoba Singh discussed the National Legal Services Authority's legal services to the victims of drug abuse and the Eradication of Drug Menace Scheme 2015, highlighting the roles and functions of state legal services authorities in assisting drug abuse victims. Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK Andro, Imphal East conducted a one-day mass awareness program on agriculture and allied activities as part of the Kisan Divas and Swachhta Pakhwada program today at Pangong Naharup, Imphal East. The program focused on the theme, Empowering Farmers for Sustainable Agriculture. Senior Scientist and Head of KVK, Andro, Imphal East, Dr. Y. Prabhavati Devi highlighted the importance of empowering farmers for sustainable agriculture through the infusion of technology and best farming practices. She also emphasized the use of quality seeds, farming, diversification, entrepreneurial models, and the development of marketing infrastructure with backward and forward linkages. Farmers attending the awareness program were informed about scientific farming practices across various disciplines, focusing on sustainable utilization of natural resources, enhancing livelihoods and increasing incomes to double farmers' incomes. The experts from KVK, Andro, Imphal East provided valuable insights on these topics. The resource persons for the program included SMS, Fisheries, Dr. M.A. Salam, SMS, Agronomy, Nandini Chongtham, SMS, Agricultural Engineering, Gunajit Oinam, SMS, Plant Protection, Dr. H. Ramananda Singh, and PA, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, Dr. Shuhil Kumar Singh. As many as 80 farmers attended the program, and different rabi crop seeds for an area of 5 hectares were distributed. Additionally, a farmer-scientist interaction session was conducted with the KVK scientists. As part of the ongoing Good Governance Week celebrated annually from December 19 to 25 to honor the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, district administrations of various hill districts today organized workshops and events to promote transparency, accountability, and effective service delivery. In Kamjong, a workshop was held at the Deputy Commissioner's Camp Office, chaired by Deputy Commissioner Rangnamai Rang Peter. The event focused on the core principles of good governance, emphasizing transparency, accountability, and accessibility. Rang Peter urged officials to engage with the public sincerely and to uphold good governance throughout the year, not just during the week of celebrations. The workshop was attended by senior officials, including SP Kamjong and district-level officers. In Tamenglong, a Good Governance Day event was organized at Tamenglong Higher Secondary School commemorating the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The event focusing on the theme Good Governance Towards Tribal Areas was attended by several dignitaries including SDO, D. Maidin Bui, SP, Joshia, T. Pamay, and CMO Dr. G. Majachunglu. The event featured exhibitions from various departments, including the distribution of free vegetable seeds by the Horticulture and Agriculture departments. Churachandpur also hosted a workshop where Deputy Commissioner Darun Kumar S. emphasized the importance of addressing public grievances with fairness and sensitivity. The Health Department shared initiatives for internally displaced persons, while the Education Department highlighted its support for displaced students, including textbook distribution and the establishment of coaching centers. Various departments held public grievance games to further engage with the public. The week-long celebrations demonstrate the government's commitment to providing transparent, effective, and accountable governance. The Manipur State Archaeology Department under the Department of Art and Culture inaugurated the 2-day World Heritage Week 2024 observation with a grand opening ceremony at Kangla Hall, Imphal. The event was attended by Commissioner of Art and Culture M. Joy Singh as the chief guest. In his address, M. Joy emphasized the importance of heritage awareness and highlighted UNESCO's role in preserving and promoting the World Heritage. He quoted UNESCO definition of heritage as the legacy passed down from past generations to the present and future generations, stressing its value in preserving humanity's cultural and natural roots. Commissioner Joy noted the irreplaceable value of heritage, pointing out that since the adoption of the World Heritage Convention in 1972, as many as 1,223 heritage sites have been recognized worldwide, including 65 from Manipur. The ceremony also featured a temporary exhibition and the release of a special publication compendium of gadgets and orders of 65 protected historical monuments and archaeological sites of Manipur. A team from the Manipur branch of the Indian Red Cross Society, IRCS, has departed from Punjab to participate in the National Youth Exchange Program, scheduled to take place from December 24 to 29 at BBK DAV College, Amritsar. The Youth Red Cross team left from Bir Tikendrajit International Airport with IRCS Manipur State Branch Chairman Narendra Ningomba, Vice Chairman Dr. Laishram Manglem, and General Secretary Athopam Nabachandra bidding them farewell. The team comprises 4 officials and 11 Youth Red Cross volunteer competitors. They will represent Manipur in various academic and non-academic competitions such as dance, folk music, quiz, recitation, and cultural performances, competing against participants from other states and union territories of India. Before their departure, a send-off program was held 2 days back at the IRCS Manipur State Branch office located at MG Avenue. During the program, the chairman expressed his confidence in the team, highlighting Manipur's past achievements including multiple gold medals in folk dance and music competitions as well as victories in team events. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman Narendra Ningomba stated that believe this year too, Manipur will make the state proud by winning accolades and securing the team championship title.
पांगथोकदोरिबा नेशनल यूथ एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम दा मणिपुर की जूनियर रेड क्रॉस की टीम मसीसु अखोई सरुक यागदोरी अदो टीम मसी अखोई होजिक सननबगी दमक्ता अखोई जे होजिक थोरांग तोबरन लोरे अखोई केनो खुदिमक्ता अखोई कंपटीशन खुदिमक्ता सरुक यागनी बोथ एकेडमिक एंड नॉन एकेडमिक मदुगी दमक्ता अखोई प्रिपेयर तौदना ससै अदो मयाम पुनमक्ता मणिपुर की नुक्सीजरबा मियाम सिंह पुनमक्की मफमदगी अखोइना फिगाव साना निजरी इमा लेबाक मणिपुर की दमक्ता अखोइना मेंशन उरोंग पुरप ngamba oijage आई इसा सिंह अखोगी मयाम सिंह सिना JRC मयाम सिंह सिना मखोई मखोगी लेजबा पेंटिंग दा रिसिटेशन दा अदुगा अखोगी रिटन क्विज दा डांस दा इसाई दा मखल मथेल कया दा उलुगदु थोरम सिंह थेंगनरुगदु मयाम सिंह सी अतोपा इंडिया की स्टेट मयाम सिंह सिदगी अखोइने हेना अचौबा माई पाकवा मु वरकना टीम चैंपियन दो ओइजरके
A civic action program was conducted today by 86th Battalion CRPF at Sejang and Tingkongjang village under Kangpokpi district under the aegis IG Manipur and Nagaland sector CRPF of Dr. Vipul Kumar and under the initiation of Commandant 86th Battalion CRPF Saurav Kumar Chowdhury. The program was attended by villagers and chairmen of both Sejang and Tingkongjang village. During the civic action program, water storage tank and sewing machine were distributed to the villagers of Sejang and Tingkongjang village respectively. In the context of civic action program, a meeting was also held with the youths and villagers of the villages. Bharat Vikas Parishad BVP Manipur Prant celebrated its Silver Jubilee anniversary at the residence of Dr. Sinam Subhash Chandra Singh in Chingmerong. The event marked 25 years of dedicated humanitarian service under the motto, Service as Duty. The function was graced by President of Northeast Region Professor M. Premjit Singh as the chief guest alongside other dignitaries such as President of BVP Manipur Prant, Anurag Jain, and HOD of Medicine at Caesar Medical College Professor Vaigabati Devi. The chief guest praised the parishad's efforts and reflected on its journey. The event also honored winners of the National Group Song Competition and the Bharat Go Jano quiz, as well as individuals like Sundari Devi and Dharendrajit Sharma for their contributions. A pledge for future growth and activities was also taken. Speaker of the Manipur Legislative Assembly T.H. Satyabatar Singh extended his heartfelt wishes to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Christmas Festival 2024. In his message, he expressed his belief that the festival would bring peace and prosperity to the state. He hoped that the teachings of Lord Jesus would inspire love, unity, and harmony among all people. The speaker encouraged everyone to set aside ill will and animosity, striving to create a prosperous and peaceful state with the spirit of Christmas. He concluded by offering his blessings for the grand success of the Christmas celebrations. The Ball Badminton Association Manipur has announced the organization of a trial-cum selection process for players wishing to participate in the 69th Junior National Ball Badminton Championship for boys and girls. The championship will be held at Deogram Taluka, Narker, Nagpur District, Maharashtra from January 17 to 21st of 2025. According to the association, all affiliated institutions, clubs and units have been informed to send their players for the trial-cum selection, which will take place at the Nilit Basketball Stadium in Akampat, Imphal from December 24th to 27th, starting at 6:30 a.m. Delhi. Players born on or after January 2nd, 2005 will be eligible to compete in the championship. The association has clarified that players who fail to report within the specific time will not be considered for selection. For further details, players and interested parties have been advised to contact as Surendra Singh at BRAM with the contact number 93664905546. Three suspected Khalistani terrorists allegedly involved in a grenade attack in Gurdaspur were killed in an encounter with a joint team of Uttar Pradesh and Punjab police in Pilibhit early today. The three individuals were identified as Gurvinder Singh, aged 25 years, Virendra Singh, aged 23 years, and Jasprit Singh, aged 18 years, all residents of Gurdaspur. The encounter took place in the Puranpur area of Pilibhit district. Uttar Pradesh police stated that the trio was involved in a grenade attack on a police checkpoint in Gurdaspur, Punjab. The three sustained serious injuries during the encounter and were immediately rushed to CHC Puranpur for treatment, where they later succumbed to their injuries. A small plane crashed in the tourist city of Gramado, located in the southern state of Rio Grande do Sul in Brazil, resulting in the deaths of all 10 people on board. The plane reportedly first struck the chimney of a building, then the second floor of a house before crashing into a furniture store. However, Brazilian authorities have not yet confirmed the exact number of passengers or crew members aboard the plane. Officials reported that dozens of people present on the street sustained various injuries, including burns, and were transferred to hospitals for treatment. Before we end the headlines once again. Ministry of Education abolishes no detention policy. Students failing in classes 5 and 8 will be retained, with opportunity to retake examination. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh attends passing out parade of 10th and 11th IRB graduates, urges unity and peace restoration across the state. Naga bodies in Manipur condemn physical assault on Senapati District Students Association executives, demand accountability and uphold peaceful resolution. Protests intensified across Valley districts demanding justice for slain village volunteer and release of arrested volunteers. State government warns of temporary water level fluctuations and increased vehicular traffic due to coffer dam construction across Imphal and Sekmai rivers. And Manipur Hill districts organized workshops and events for Good Governance Week, promoting transparency and accountability in honor of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching IS News.